Namaskar. It is a moment of pleasure and pride for all of us here in Faculty of Law to realize our dream project, which is the ILC 5-year law course. It is a moment of pride because the Faculty of Law has been into its centenary year, and it has just been a sheer coincidence that Delhi University also celebrated its centenary year in 2022-23. So it was visualized in the centenary year of the University of Delhi, and in the centenary year of the Faculty of Law, we have got this 5-year law course, and we have got two streams, BA LLB and BBA LLB, both honors courses. We could have possibly thought of having BCom honors as well, BCom LLB honors, but after deliberations we decided that no, to begin with, we need to have only two focused programs. That's where we have BA LLB and BBA LLB programs, and in each program we have got 60 students. In the very first maiden batch, we found that there were students coming from different regions, different strata in the University of Delhi. I have always been highlighting the USP of the Faculty of Law is its sheer multicultural student base. From different background, different strata, from different regions, from different linguistic minorities. Here is a small universe in Faculty of Law, wherein students somewhere around, I talk about Faculty of Law, around 10,000 students interact with each other. They are from different background, different cultural understandings, and this would certainly give an edge to our 5-year law batch when they happen to interact with the 3-year law courses. So this again is a huge benefit and an edge over and above the rest of the 5-year law courses, wherein they do not have that huge student base. So this, coupled with the facilities which are available in the University of Delhi across departments, across different segments, and interdisciplinarity, would certainly make it a unique experiment and an institution and a course for which everybody would be looking forward to. The fact that there are lot many NLUs and still there is that preference, and there are lot many students who have withdrawn their admission from their respective NLUs and come here to join us, it is really exciting and thrilling, and we look forward to continuing the legacy of University of Delhi and Faculty of Law, which is known for having given stalwarts in different fields of law, be that judges of the Supreme Court or various high courts, or the Solicitor Generals or Advocate Generals, or for that matter, if you talk about any established name in any stream of litigation, you would find there is an alumnus of Delhi University. Not only that, our alumni has adorned the power corridors. So when we look into the history of our Union Cabinet, we'll find that several of them happen to belong to the Faculty of Law. Whether we are talking about late Arun Jaitley ji, or for that matter, we have got Ravi Shankar ji, or for that matter, Kiran Rijiju. So all of them put together here and there in different ministries. Similarly, when we look into other state ministries also and governments at different points of time, we find that our alumnus has been there in the seat, taking us forward with reference to what is the right policy that we need to adopt. So indeed, Faculty of Law is indebted to our own alumni who has given us that name, and we are recognized because of our students only. So our expectations from this ILC 5-year law course and the students who are our future, who would be the budding lawyers, who would be the persons who would be managing the policy think tanks, is extreme, and they need to come up to those expectations. At the same time, it is our bounden duty to ensure that we give them the world-class competitive exposure. I do understand that we may be having some teething problems because this is something which we are starting off with a new experiment, and keeping in mind the kind of competition there is with reference to other NLUs which happen to have maybe a 3-decade or maybe more than 3 decades experience. But I'm sure that with the quality of our researchers, the quality of our faculty, and the kind of facilities we happen to have in Faculty of Law and University of Delhi, we would be able to give them a befitting challenge. With that understanding, that assurance, and that aspiration, I welcome you all on board to this 5-year law course, and let's ensure that our journey together becomes enriching, fruitful, and accomplishing. I wish you all a huge success when you happen to join. The moment you get into the stream and when you move out, we certainly are sure that you would have a changed persona, and you would yourself be able to understand and realize that how your association with University of Delhi has brought about a humongous change in your personality, in your thought process, and the future generation is here with us who would be shaped, mentored with our able guidance and the mentors across. Wishing you all the best for this batch of 2024 and 25, which happens to be the second batch of ILC 5-year law course. Thank you very much for reposing your faith in us, and we look forward to welcoming you with open arms. Thank you.